May I visible to you?
Yeah, you are visible.
Okay. Your name Latha.
Yes.
Nice name.
Sorry. Hello, sir. How are you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry, you can record once more because I might have interrupted you for a long time.
Okay. Okay. So we are meeting very first time. So it would be better if we start conversation with introduction. So I would love to know more about you. So would you mind introduce yourself first?
Yeah, first I want to record. Can I get to this record session along with myself as well?
Yeah. Yeah. Already recording start.
Yeah, we can both get right.
Yeah. Definitely.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you so much for asking my introduction. Yeah, myself Latha Bairegowda. I am from Karnataka. Then I'm simultaneously YouTuber. I am a YouTuber and also running YouTube channel as a name of Latha Bairegowda. Then and married person and mother of two twin kids. This is my small introduction. Can you please introduce yourself too?
Yeah. Sure. So this is SMS Ravan, as you can see on the screen. So
Mm,
if you talk about my educational qualification, I have done
mm,
Masters Department of Accounting Information System. If you talk about my hobbies, I love sing and I love playing cricket. And recently, I also love to make conversation with anyone. And that's all about it. And it's my short introduction. So you are from India.
Karn- yeah, India. Actually, where did you come from? I didn't listen that.
I have already mentioned that I am from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. I can say you are the third person that I am having conversation from Bangladesh country. Actually,
Okay.
I had completed over two conversation with a Bangladesh country. I'm so much glad. I'm so much glad and enthusiastic to having conversation people like you by Bangladesh. I was previously I was previously thinking that I have connected with around interstate. Like this way, I was thinking and thought must connect to people out of country. Then you are the third person. Like I thought, having conversation with outside of country. Thank you so much for connecting to me as well.
Okay, most welcome. So, what's your state name? Kan?
Karnataka. Karnataka.
Karnataka. Very first time I hear this name.
Yeah, it's in India. India has over 28 or 29 states. Yeah, this is one types of state you can say Karnataka.
Yeah, definitely. I know that. I know another state name, Mumbai. Okay, Punjab, Chennai, Delhi,
Yeah, Delhi.
Assam,
Mm,
Kolkata,
yeah,
and I think,
Kolkata.
uh, yeah, I think I have already talking this state, this state person, but you
Mm,
are first
mm,
person. I
mm.
can you from this state.
Yeah, okay. Do you have YouTube channel?
Yes, recently I have created my channel, but previous 1 month I am totally out of practice. Okay, that is why I can't upload any video.
Mhm. Okay. Do you want to record, sorry, upload this video that having conversation now? No.
This conversation,
Yes.
uh, right now I don't know because I am busy from my some work, so I don't know. I do or I don't. Okay.
Mm, yeah. Okay. Okay. Shall we start our conversation?
Yeah, if you have any topics, so you can ask me. I can try.
Okay. I can ask one question. Everybody has their wishes, as their own wishes to learn English. In your case, that why are you learning English?
Actually, it was and still it is my dream, and I'm very passionate about this language.
Mm,
Okay,
mm,
and I think you know that right now English is essential for our daily life,
mm,
not only job purpose.
mm,
If you don't know English properly, so you face many problem in everywhere. When you go to any outside or school, college, station, hospital, or any immigration counter, if you don't know English properly, that time you face many problem. Okay, and I think you cannot pass a day without English because your cell phone, your laptop on, and everything is English version right now. And
yeah,
when yes,
gadgets
yeah, definitely.
gadgets also need good English. Let's suppose we want to work out on smartphone. That time also it asks like, do you know English? Or whatever we want to operate, everything must be working on it in English itself. In English itself, as you said, and also doing something different. Also, it needed to know English language as well nowadays.
Yeah, exactly. Right now I'm talking with you. It's only possible for this language.
Mm.
Okay. I think without English, it's not possible for us because my mother tongue Bangla, and I don't know what's your mother tongue. Okay,
Kannada, Kannada.
Kannada.
Yeah,
So it is very difficult to understand your mother tongue language. Okay.
yeah. We can learn any languages as soon as possible, but we can't learn our mother tongue at once at easily because, as you said, it's very difficult with grammatical rules. Only we should learn. It is very common and very usable language for only native speakers. We can say. but
Yeah.
english is but english is not like that. It is a global language. All over the world people can speak English. We can communicate easily with English. It is a common global language, I can say.
Yeah. When you know about this language very well, that time all world
mm,
come in hand,
mm, yes.
and you can easily connect with
mm,
in outside countries people. And when you go to any that time, I think your foreign journey is very easy when you
mm,
English properly. Okay.
yeah. Yeah, our it most of the time English helps us for traveling or studying or for out of countries. Like that way, our English easily helps. Am I right?
Yeah, obviously.
Mm. Yeah, sir. How long have you been indulging yourself towards learning English?
Okay, I think it's estimates 6 months, and before 2 months, I was totally out of practice. And 31st night, or I think 1 date 1 in 2025, I created my YouTube channel because of my practice purpose.
Practice purpose. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Then did you undergo any specific problem because of learning English?
Yeah, first time when I try to know about this language, that time I was face many problem because that time I have no any confidence. Okay, when I talking in front of the camera or in front of any people, that time I uh, feel nervous and I can't speak English properly. Still, I have many mistake. I know that pronunciation mistake, grammatical mistake, and sentence making mistake. But I am not worried my mistake because I know that when I practice every single day, that time I can easily remove my mistake. And first of all, I would focus my fluency. Okay, because when everyone get fluency, that time he or she easily remove any mistake. And if you talk about English language, so I think there is consistency is main things, and without consistency, it's not possible to learn about this language. Okay.
Yeah, consistency is key to success. Otherwise, we will be stuck that where we are now. That's all.
Yeah. So you have already mentioned that you have two kids, but uh, you are there. So what's the reason behind it, and why you want to learn about this language?
First of all, thank you so much for asking these questions. Yeah, I want English is my passion. I have underwent so many problems before I made up English as a passion. Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I made up this passion. As I said, I have underwent so many problems. Till 10th standard, 10th grade, I didn't know even one word in English that how to spell, and also didn't know that how to make sentence formation. And if one sir, madam, pointed out me to read the lesson, that time I was standing, I was just like standing simply with holding book like a blank. Like I was that position, you can understand. Okay.
Yes, definitely. So how many days
Yeah.
ago you did your English journey?
Yeah, I have started my English journey 2019 to 2020, I think, when I was
Oh,
pursuing my graduation. Yes, I
so
was that time. At that time, I was pursuing graduation. That time, I was determined myself that I must become fluent in English. From them to time to till now, I have been so much consistent. So in middle of that, when I got pregnant and I am married, that time I had give up myself for 2 years. Then again, I am realized myself I must to move forward along with my passion. So that I thought, and also having conversation with the people like you for better improvement myself.
okay, so it's going 5 years.
Mm,
That's great.
thank you.
Okay. Uh, do you have any advice for beginner English learner?
Yeah, yeah, definitely. I do have a one good plan, good idea for to tell beginners. I can say beginner stage will be like they know only vocabularies, tenses, and a little bit grammar points, and along with they can able to read some sentences, and also they know some words, but they still don't know that how to speak. When do they come to speak? At a time they feel blank. Okay, let's suppose thing should not happen along with them. All beginners, all English learner, you all people, you must listen to me. Whatever the things I have used for become to fluent in English, like the way I am speaking, you all need to just make your environment as a English first. This is the first thing that all English learners must make. They must make their environment, they must make their atmosphere as a English. Okay, like if you are sitting in your home, you just give a task for your mind that what did I do from morning to till now, then what I am doing now, what will I have done after few days. How did I, if you are student, how did I attend my exam, how to prepare for my exam, like this you just think about your mind for making environment. This is the one best advice I would like to give. And second advice is that they must set one time, and along with must choose one topic instead of choosing futile topic. They must choose one good topic and must prepare themselves to squeeze in that. For example, if they take one say no, take one topic like happiness, they can hear, they must speak about happiness. Okay, like about happiness only they must be speaking at least 5 or 10 minutes. Where do they do this gradually, they can achieve their fluency, and also they can easily analyze themselves that where did I do mistake, where I am doing mistake, how can I improve my level best day by day. This way they can definitely improve themselves. This is all the thing I have done.
Yeah, I am totally agree with you. And thanks for your very precious advice.
Yeah, thank you. But my wish is that I have created YouTube channel for the purpose of helping people. Whenever I started my English journey, I didn't have a proper environment. Even I didn't know that how to learn English, but I was enthusiastic to learn English so that however I got learned English as much as I know today. But year after we have plenty opportunities like gadgets, laptop, mobile, smartphone. Like this way we have a lot of opportunities along with us, so that why don't we waste our time whereas we have plenty opportunities along with us. So that I suggested this thing, you people can definitely follow these things. You can definitely improve your level best day by day. You don't give up, you just be consistent at least 1 year. Then you can look back after, look back for 1 year that what practice you have done. You can definitely improve.
Yeah, sure. So, what kinds of video you upload your channel?
Earlier days I used to upload solo videos. Rest of the time grammar points through using whiteboard. But I was not got so much of time because I needed to engage my babies along with family members as well as household chores. Then I thought I didn't have too much time to spend myself on all these things. Now rest of doing this, I'm better to have conversation with the people. Through that way I can help people and also learn so many things from them. Through this way I can really rebuild build my confidence, I thought. And also having conversation, you can say 1 month ago just started having conversation with the people like you. This is the only thing now I'm just focusing on.
Okay, so actually, I never hear your mother tongue name, so that is why I would love to hear your mother tongue. So, could you explain something little bit your mother tongue language? I think Karnataka language. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Okay. ಊಟ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನದ ಊಟ ಆಯ್ತಾ. Okay, this is the our mother tongue language. I would like to repeat this sentence once more. ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನದ ಊಟ ಆಯ್ತಾ. Okay, I would tell this meaning in English itself. You can hear how it would be. Have you had your lunch?
Okay, I want to go to school.
ನಾನು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು.
Oh my goodness. It's very, I think, amazing.
Yes, it takes times.
Yes.
Mm.
Okay, so I think right now it's estimate 20 minutes. So no more today's. So for the time being, it was very nice moment with you.
Yeah, thank you so much for connecting to me as well. Thank you so much.
Okay, see you soon.